Pakinggan mo 'to. Kung kay Christ ka, you are Abraham's seed and heir of all the promises. Hindi mo ito narinig sa school, pero ito ang secret ng kingdom wealth and blessing. Galatians 3:29 sabi, if you belong to Christ, then you are Abraham's seed and heirs according to the promise. Yung seed dito sa Greek ay sperma. Ibig sabihin, legal heir, rightful recipient, same spiritual bloodline. Yes, same covenant kay Abraham, nasa iyo rin. Ano ba ang covenant promise? Genesis 12:2-3. I will bless you, make your name great, and you will be a blessing, and in you all families of the earth will be blessed. Meaning, blessing is your birthright, increase is your inheritance, impact is your destiny. Hindi ka basta-basta Christian lang. You're a covenant person, a carrier of Abraham's blessing, an heir to God's wealth promise. And the best part, hindi mo ito nakuha by performance, but by grace through Christ. So today, stop seeing yourself as kawawa naman ako or kulang, kapos. Start declaring, I am Abraham's seed, blessed, favored, and heir to the promise. Comment mo dyan, my friend, I am an heir of the promise. Like, subscribe, and share para mas maraming Pilipino ang ma-awaken sa covenant blessing ng Diyos. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.